A dosa is a rice pancake, originating from South India, made from a fermented batter. It is somewhat similar to a crepe in appearance. Its main ingredients are rice and black gram, ground together in a fine, smooth batter with a dash of salt. Dosas are a typical part of diets throughout South India, but the dish is now popular all over the Indian subcontinent. Traditionally, dosas are served hot along with sambar and chutney. The most interesting fact about dosas is that it gives every chance for a variety of cooking experiments. That is, it has countless varieties regarding different regions and ingredients. For every new ingredient, the dosa gets a new prefix and thus a new name, like set dosa, ghee dosa, masala dosa, cheese dosa, millet dosa, jowar dosa, rava dosa, ragi dosa, oats dosa, and many other names. And interestingly, some of these varieties may again have variants from places to places. Particular curries are specially assigned to some varieties, but desirable alterations doesn't make them less delicious. If you haven't tried varieties of dosa, you're showing injustice to your taste buds. We will discuss in another video the preparation of some special varieties of dosa. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Take care.